Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan and thank you for clicking on my video. I didn't expect you all will click on the Sindhi Kadhi video because this is a vegetarian recipe. This curry is sour, spicy and you will love it because with all the vegetable and you eat it with rice. Stick till the end and you will know how to make this recipe, and I'm sure I'll guarantee you will try this recipe at least once. Okay, so let's get started. So now just before you start with the cooking process, just keep few things ready. Okay, that's the vegetable. I've taken one drumstick. This is Gavar ka bhaji, okay, which I've taken around 30 of them. One medium sized potato, 3 medium sized tomato. Okay, I've made a puree of this, and I've also soaked tamarind. Okay, one small ball sized tamarind I've soaked in hot water. And talking about hot water, this is 1 liter of water because we'll need warm water. So keep all these ingredients ready before you start with the cooking process. So now we'll start the cooking process. So I've taken this pot. I'll be making the curry in this pot. First thing first, I'll take oil. So you can take a spoon like this spoon full of oil. This will be around 4 tablespoons. The measurement should be perfect. Alright, and once the oil is heated, okay, mildly heated, you can just add in half teaspoon of methi seeds. Now this is 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and I'll be adding in half teaspoon of hing. Now I've taken 1 spoon oil, so I've taken 2 spoon of this besan. So that means 4 tablespoon of oil, 8 tablespoon of gram flour, that's besan. This is very important. Okay, now keep stirring it and keep the flame very low. Okay, keep stirring it continuously. Okay, now if you feel the lumps are forming and it's getting dry, just add 1 tablespoon of oil quickly. Now you have to be very quick with this. Okay, we need to turn this golden brown. Okay, can you see the color now? It's turned brown, and here I'll be adding in fresh curry leaves. Okay, can you see the curry leaves started crackling? Okay, and now here I'll be adding in warm water. Okay, now this is 1 liter water that I've added in. Okay, that's why I told you all be ready with the warm water as well. Alright, the major task is over. Now we'll go to the next step. Now I've turned the flame on medium low. And now we will add in the dried spices. So here goes in half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Stir it well. Okay. Now along with this, I'll be adding in the tomato puree. So as I said, this is 3 medium-sized tomato. This will give a nice color to the curry. Here I'll be adding in salt as per taste. Okay, and now we will add in the vegetable. So as I said, 1 drumstick, 1 medium sized potato I took and just cut it into cubes, and gavar. Now gavar is very important. Okay, even if you don't add the potato and the drumstick, gavar is very important in this dish. Okay, just mix it nicely. And cover this with the lid. Okay, so I'll just let this boil for around 10 to 15 minutes. Let the vegetable get cooked properly. Now you can also add bhindi. You can just stir fry the bhindi and add it after 10 to 15 minutes after this getting boiled. I'll not be adding bhindi because I don't have bhindi today. I'll be adding in cabbage. Okay, so I'll add in the cabbage after 10 to 15 minutes because I need the crunchiness of the cabbage. And yeah, that's it. We'll check the sourness and If needed, I will add the tamarind water. I will definitely add the tamarind water because I don't think so the tomato will give me that sourness which we need. Okay, so it's 10 to 15 minutes now. Let me open the lid and look at the color of the curry or Kadi. It is Sindhi Kadhi. Okay, so yeah, this is what I need. Okay, the flame is still on medium low. Okay, I'll not change any settings on that. And now let's taste the sourness, the spice and the salt. Amazing. The salt is proper, it's not spicy, so I'll add in 1 green chilli. But before that I will add tamarind. So I'll not add the tamarind, I'll just add in the tamarind water. Okay. Now if you don't need tamarind water or if you don't need that sourness, you can taste it, and if you want you can add it. It's not compulsory. Some people add, some people they don't add. You can also add in kokum also. 1 green chilli slit, and as I told you all, I'll be adding in cabbage. So just adding in the cabbage. Okay, so after adding the cabbage and the chilli, I just let it boil for around 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, that's it. The Sindhi Kadhi is ready. I will turn it off and I will close it with the lid. Okay, so that's the way the Sindhi Kadhi is made, and now I'll just take a nice morsel. It's super hot. Okay, look at this. Yummy. It's blending well with the rice. Also, you can make a papad and eat it. It tastes amazing. The sour, the spice, it's incredible. So guys, do try this recipe at home. Let me know how you liked it. Share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. I'll see you next time. My name is Stan. Take care.